This video will explain how the order of conditional formatting rules impacts spreadsheets. Conditional formatting rules are applied in the ascending order that they are listed. There are two rules applied to this table. The first rule highlights all blank cells in the table yellow. The second rule highlights any cell in column E that does not match column B. In this table, cells E8 and E9 are highlighted in yellow as they are blank. Switching tabs. This is a duplicate of the table, and in this table the order of the conditional formatting rules has been changed. Here the comparison between column B and column E is the first rule listed. The difference in this table is that cells E8 and E9 are highlighted in red because the scheduled date for entries 5 and 6 has been entered, but the actual date is still blank. Therefore, they do not match, and the first rule applies. To change the order of the rules, use the up and down arrows in the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager.